Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for the perfect crispy, buttery, crunchy cracker, then look no further than the original RITZ crackers. So we absolutely love these, and these always bring a sense of nostalgia back because I always ate these growing up. Because they're so delicious, I still love them today. These are the perfect cracker for so many things. They have a really nice light, flaky crunch to them, and they are perfect for topping your soups or for spreading peanut butter on them or having them with cheese. There's so many options and they're always delicious. So this is a large party size box, which is a 1 pound, 11.4 ounce box. And this actually has 8 stacks in it. And it's really nice because each of those stacks are individually wrapped. So it helps to keep them fresher for longer. So you can enjoy them at their very best. So if you're looking for a delicious cracker, then look no further than RITZ. That's my point of view.